1932년 11월 영국의 한 저택.
Don't just stand there. Give me a hand with the canopy.
새로 들어온 하녀 메리는 궂은 날씨에도 맡은 임무를 성실히 수행해 나가죠.
Everything's ready, milady.
조카인 윌리엄 맥코들경의 집에서 열리는 사냥 파티 참석을 위해 나서는 백작 부인.
I can't open this wretched thing. I suppose we better stop.
병뚜껑을 열기 위해 메리는 또다시 비를 쫄딱 맞습니다. 그 순간 낯선 차량 한 대가 다가오는데
Hello. Is everything all right? Are you okay?
Am I what? We're all right, thank you.
Is that Lady Trentham? Lady Trentham, I'm William McCardle's cousin, Ivor. Ivan Novello.
Yes, of course.
미국에서 온 유명 배우 아이보와 영화 제작자 와이즈만도 윌리엄 경의 초대받고 저택으로 향하는 중이었죠.
Could we get on before I freeze to death?
Is that really Ivan Novello?
Yes, could we get on?
윌리엄 경의 대저택인 고스포드 파크.
Hello, Ivor. Welcome back, Olivia. Constance, welcome.
Hello there. If he has to call me by my Christian name, why can't he make it Aunt Constance? I'm not the upstairs maid.
저택의 한 주인 실비아가 백작 부인을 챙기는 사이 손님들이 차례로 입장합니다.
Louisa. Raymond.
초대를 받고 찾아온 귀족들에 더해 시중을 위해 함께한 하인들까지 저택은 금세 많은 사람들로 북적거리죠.
Those are Mr. Novello's bags. Can't you see them on the ground?
Who are you?
I'm Mr. Weissman's man.
Countess of Trentham.
Yes. Make sure they're properly labelled. Put them down there, all right?
Where am I?
You're in the stable block with the grooms.
Lord Stockbridge, guns.
Down there on the right.
The name's Parks, Robert Parks.
Mr. Parks? Mr. Parks, below stairs you'll be known as Mr. Stockbridge.
Three more.
But Parks, I knew a Mr. Parks who was in service in Norwich. Is he any relation of yours?
No, London, born and bred. Isabel?
윌리엄의 외동딸 이조벨의 초대로 저택에 오게 된 네스비.
Have you spoken to your father?
No.
What do you mean, no? Hey, you promised.
두 사람은 과거 뜨거운 하룻밤을 보낸 사이였고 네스빗이 그 사실을 윌리엄에게 폭로하겠다 협박하며 자신의 취업을 청탁하고 있었죠.
You shouldn't sneak up on people like
Hey,
that.
don't worry, it's nobody.
Sorry, Miss Isabel.
Do you really think you'll have a chance to speak to him tonight?
Hey, that's all very well.
I think it's ridiculous. I'm here to shoot.
Darling, it's a relief to me to sit next to someone who is deaf in one ear.
I'm sorry?
사냥 파티를 핑계로 모두 이곳에 모였지만 사실 각자만의 사정이 있었는데
What do you mean leave it?
I just meant let it come naturally. Don't try and steer the conversation. Makes you sound so desperate.
Well, I am fucking desperate.
윌리엄의 막내 동서 안소니는 과거 중년까지 지낸 인물이었지만 사업에서 큰 손실을 보며 윌리엄의 도움이 간절한 상황이었습니다. 한편 윌리엄은 큰 처제이자 스탁브리지의 아내인 루이자와 은밀한 만남을 가지고 있었죠.
Oh, you know Raymond. He only feels safe with his own kind.
저녁 만찬 준비가 한창인 가운데
Why does this work go on the right?
영화 제작자 와이즈만의 시종인 헨리는 하인으로서의 업무를 전혀 모르는 눈치였는데
What are you doing here?
Just looking around.
Mr. Jennings will be up in a minute. If I were you, I'd go and look around somewhere else.
Is that what you do?
That's exactly what I would do.
Then that's what I'll do.
Something funny about that bloke.
Yeah, his accent for a start. What do you think his game is?
Has Constance asked for money yet?
No?
Raymond tells me she's been complaining that her allowance isn't big enough.
윌리엄은 숙모인 백작 부인의 지원금을 끊으려 생각 중이었고
I thought it was for her lifetime.
Ah, no.
뿐만 아니라
I do wish that Anthony wasn't here. Make sure I'm not left alone with him, will you?
Why?
I'm pulling out of his scheme.
Oh. Have you told him?
No, and I'm not going to either. Louisa says I should leave it till next week. Let him sob in private.
Far be it from me to contradict Louisa.
Can't you just tell me the truth? You're a liar, Freddy. You are a liar.
남편의 불륜으로 분노하고 있는 네스빗 부인.
I found some pins, madam, from Lady Trenthram's maid.
Right. Oh, thank you.
한편 귀족들이 모인 자리에 헨리가 뻔뻔스레 들어오는데
Can I help you?
You know, I really enjoy the way you do things, Mr. Jennings.
I beg your pardon. What is it, Henry?
Nothing. I just wanted to be sure you had everything you need. Sir.
I was wondering, William, if I could have a word with you alone after dinner.
I can't leave my guest, can I?
Those are pickles. They need it specially for me on the Thursday. If they're frightened of you, then they sense your...
귀족들이 저녁 만찬을 즐기는 사이 시종들도 서둘러 식사 자리를 마련하죠.
And since when did a baroness outrank a countess? Miss Trentham, would you take the place of honor, please?
고용주의 지위에 따라 자연스레 정해지는 그들만의 자리.
Can I ask a question?
Certainly, Mr. Wiseman. How can we help you?
I just wondered, how many people here had parents in service? And was that why they chose to go into it?
What an interesting question, and one to which I'm afraid I cannot provide the answer. All of you whose parents were in service, raise your hand.
My father was.
Both, Nanny.
Not you, Dorothy.
My father was a farmer, Mr. Jennings, a tenant of Lord Carton's.
Mr. Meredith.
Factory hands, both of them. And if you ask me, they were better off.
What about you, Mr. Stockbridge?
What's the matter? Don't you know?
Yeah, I know what they did. But it didn't have any effect on me on my choice of work.
And why is that?
Because I grew up in an orphanage.
여유도 잠시 또다시 바쁜 일정이 시작되고 그런데 은으로 된 카라나가 사라진 사실이 드러나죠.
Gone in the wrong drawer in the silver pantry. It wouldn't have been put in here.
Oh, that's what I told him. How old would you say that Mr. Stockbridge was?
I don't know, about 31, 32? Why?
Oh, no reason. Well, I think I'll turn in. We got an early start. You can tell Mr. Jennings we haven't got that knife.
안주인 실비아는 헨리와 우연히 마주치는데
I was looking for my maid.
She's just going downstairs. Can I help?
She was going to fetch me some chocolate, but now I wonder whether I wouldn't prefer milk.
Would that be hot milk or cold?
You decide.
I couldn't say, my lady.
Hot then, and something to make it sweet. You have your hands in your pockets. Otherwise, I'll never sleep.
Why? Do you have trouble sleeping, my lady?
I have a feeling I might have trouble tonight. I'll be wide awake at 1 a.m., bored to sobs.
Then we must try and think of something to amuse you.
그렇게 두 사람은 새벽에 만날 것을 약속하며 헤어지죠. 한편 메리는 넓은 저택 안을 헤매다 길을 잃고 그만 남자아인 숙소까지 오게 되는데요.
I must have taken the wrong stairs.
You better not be seen up here.
메리를 자신의 방으로 데리고 온 헨리는 갑자기 돌변하죠.
What are you doing?
What's this? What are you doing here?
I came up the wrong staircase. I was just waiting till the coast was clear.
Well, you better go down again before anyone catches you. Just a minute.
메리를 내려보낸 후 두 남자는 아무 일 없단 듯 대화를 나누는데
How long you been doing this?
What?
Balloting.
About 7 years. I was a footman before that.
And working for Lord Stockbridge. Is that a promotion?
No. I used to be with the Earl of Flintshire.
Then why did you move?
Because I felt like it.
Who's that?
It's my mother.
Where's she live?
She doesn't. That's why they put me in an orphanage.
What happened to her?
What do you mean?
I mean, why did she die? Was she young? Was it in childbirth?
She had me. A little while later, she died. End of story.
메리는 한 여장 엘시에게 오늘 일을 이야기하죠.
You'd better keep your eye on him. I think he's a queer one. He's not from Scotland for a start. At least not any part of it that I know.
한편 약속 시간에 맞춰 실비아의 방을 찾는 헨리.
Is that you?
What are you expecting? Someone else?
다음 날 사냥의 시간이 찾아오고
What do you mean you're going shooting?
Mr. Weissman wants me to accompany him. Nothing wrong in that.
What for? You're not loading. He hasn't got a gun.
He might need something.
What could he need?
Yeah, we know the very idea of service is offensive to you, George. But there's no need to take it out on the rest of us. Please forgive our ill manners, Mr. Wiseman.
I think he's got something to hide, that one.
We all have something to hide, Mr. Meredith.
그 시각 이조벨은 엘시에게 힘든 속마음을 털어놓는데
He won't do it. Who won't do what? My father. He won't give Freddie a job.
Why not?
I don't know.
Well, you've done your best. Mr. Nesbit can't ask for more than that, now can he?
But he can, much more. He says he's going to tell him. Will you say something?
To Mr. Nesbit?
To Daddy?
Really, miss, why do you think I can make a difference?
Will you?
I think you should wear your warm underwear today.
남자들의 꽁 사냥이 시작되죠. 그런데 그때 총알이 윌리엄의 귀를 스쳐 지나갑니다.
Where the bloody hell did that come from? God, it's nicked me. Where did that? Who the setting did that? They ain't a fine shot. If ask him if he knows who's responsible, if he knows, tell him to send the gun back to the.
한편 하녀 윌슨이 파크의 방을 찾아오는데
Oh, Mr. Stockbridge, I'm sorry to disturb you. I was just making my routine inspection. So, how are you settling in with Lord Stockbridge?
Sorry?
How are you settling in with Lord Stockbridge? Only I know that you haven't been with him for long.
Not long, no.
사냥이 끝나자 사람들은 각자 이곳에 온 목적을 이루기 위해 바삐 움직입니다.
I don't think you realise how serious this is.
Of course I do.
Why can't you get your sisters to help?
Darling, do you think I haven't tried? You know what they're like.
Well, I know they couldn't care less if we go under. But why should they care as long as their dressmakers are busy and their dinners are served on time?
하지만 안소니의 바램과 달리 윌리엄은 그의 회사에 투자한 돈을 회수하려 하죠.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. But business is business. I'm not a charity commissioner, you know.
William, I'm begging you.
Damn it.
그날 저녁 만찬 회장의 분위기는 냉랭하기만 한데
Do you really have to go back to London?
I'm afraid so, Roland. When you're ruined, there's so much to do.
Yes, there is, isn't there? Man.
분위기를 바꾸어 보려 아이즈만은 현재 찍고 있는 영화에 대한 이야기를 꺼내죠.
Set in London.
Well, not really. Most of it takes place at a shooting party in a country house, sort of like this one, actually. Murder in the middle of the night, a lot of guests for the weekend, everyone's a suspect, that sort of thing.
And who turns out to have done it?
Oh, I couldn't tell you that. It would spoil it for you.
Are you interested in films, sir?
Not likely.
Why shouldn't I be interested in films? You don't know what I'm interested in.
Well, I know you're interested in money and fiddling with your guns, but I admit it, when it comes to anything else, I'm stumped.
That's it. That is not fair, Billy.
순간 감정을 주체하지 못한 엘시가 두 사람의 관계를 의심할 만한 발언을 내뱉고 말죠.
So what's going to happen to Elsie?
She'll be lucky if they don't boot her out before the morning.
한편 귀족들은 아무 일도 없었다는 듯 여유 있는 모습을 유지합니다.
Would it be awful of me to ask you to play something to cheer us all up a bit?
Of course not.
Thank you.
Somewhere there's another land, different from this
You'll
world.
stand over my shoulder and watch me, please.
Far more mercifully planned. We shall never find that lovely land.
저택에 울려 퍼지는 아름다운 선율에 지휘고어를 막론하고 하나둘 모여들죠.
I don't know. It's just. I mean, how could you let him touch her?
You sound as if you don't like him.
You'd be surprised.
All right, surprise me.
Maybe I will.
I saw him in the lodge, but I've never heard him sing in person.
Will you, excuse me for a minute? You don't need my help.
Shall I ever be your king, or shall you be the victim of a cruel jest? It dogs my footsteps with the dust.
What do you want?
Brought you some coffee.
If I wanted coffee, I'd have rung for it.
Leave that. Give me some whiskey.
And her brother comes too.
Oh, you're still here.
I thought that.
Yeah, well, appearances can be deceptive, can't they?
노래가 한창인 가운데 누군가 빈 창고에 들어와 깨끗한 구두를 흙이 묻은 신발로 갈아 신는데
And was then released from jail. This noble youth, to tell the truth, sailed right away to sea.
그가 꺼낸 것은 사라졌던 은재 칼이었고
Just to take another look at me.
서재로 잠입한 남자는 그 날카로운 칼로 윌리엄을 살해합니다.
Take another look at me. I'm doubting. I'm gouty. I'm wonderful to see.
Yeah, I've got a call booked for California. California?
Oh, Freddie, we gave up on you. We waited as long as...
So do you think William's still in the library? Where have you been?
We have not.
I suppose. Where have you been?
If that's what you call a moment, I'd like to see what happens when you take a real break.
And yours as well, before the rush starts.
윌리엄의 서재를 찾은 루이자.
Come on, Bill.
Dear God. Could somebody get a glass of water, please?
I should keep everybody out of this room.
Yes, certainly.
Hello. Yes, would you connect me with the police station, please?
신고를 받은 톰슨 경위와 그의 조수 덱스터가 저택에 출동하죠.
You can go as soon as the police release you. I dare say that'll be signed under.
Nobody else is going.
Mr. Jennings,
Yes, Mr. Wiseman.
I have a confession to make.
톰슨 경위는 사람들을 불러 취조를 시작하는데
Pull yourself together, Mr. Probert. Try and be a bit patient, eh? They'll be along in a minute. What is it, Dexter?
Well, only that there doesn't seem to be much blood, sir.
밤은 깊어가고 미망인이 된 실비아를 찾아오는 헨리.
Please tell me you haven't come with condolences.
No. I was just wondering if you wanted some
What?
I said I was just wondering if you wanted some company.
Well, I suppose life must go on. Unhook me.
다음 날 하인들 사이에서 헨리에 대한 이러저러한 말들이 퍼지고 있었습니다.
The point is, that Henry Denton, he's an actor. An actor? He's playing a butler in the next Charlie Chan. Just wanted to make it authentic.
I said the joke was on Lady Sylvia.
Oh, no, he's quite the bonny lad, isn't he? What's he up to these days, this one, eh?
He's dead.
저택에서 가장 오랜 기간 일한 크로프트 부인을 조사하는 톰슨 경위.
There's one thing. The bastard's death may have saved my place.
For God's sake, be quiet. What's the matter with you?
I'd like some coffee, Jones.
There it is.
그 시각 하인들 사이에선 윌리엄의 사인에 관한 소문이 돌고 있죠.
Apparently, he wasn't stabbed after all. Well, I mean, he was, but that's not why he died. He was poisoned. That's what killed him. The inspector told Mrs. Croft. They don't know why the killer stabbed him as well, but he must have been dead already. That's why there was no blood. Dead bodies don't bleed, you know.
Trust Sir William to be murdered twice.
한편 주방에서도 이 사건에 대한 이야기가 한창인데
Two in Isleworth and two in Twickenham, and all full of girls, so you can imagine.
But what if they got, you know, in trouble?
Didn't happen very often. When it did, he arranged to have it adopted.
But what if you didn't want it adopted? Say you wanted to keep it?
Then you got kicked out, lost your job. You can take my word for it. He was a hard-hearted, randy old sod.
그 시각 파크와 메리는
Last night when you said you'd surprise me, you didn't mean anything by it, did you?
Why? Don't you like surprises?
한편 하인들은 신부를 속인 헨리에게 큰 배신감을 느끼고
Well, we are honoured. In case you've forgotten, this is the servants' area, sir. Yours is at the top of the stairs behind that door there, sir.
Warrant, it was just a...
윌리엄이 죽으며 취업 청탁이 물 건너간 네스빗은 이조벨에게 돈을 요구하죠.
My checkbook's downstairs. I'll give you a check after dinner.
I'm trying to find my man Parks. Have you seen him?
No, I've been with the police.
You look as if you've had rather a pasting.
Well, they kept on and on about that low shot yesterday, and they wouldn't let it go. I mean, obviously, I told them it's nothing to do with me.
Yes, I'm sure you did, but another time, Anthony, try to be less greedy. Parks!
What?
Would you attend to Mr. Novello first? I want a word with her ladyship.
Very well, my lord.
What?
I saw you. Of course, it was an accident. And a man's as short as you are, it must be very difficult to gauge the height of the birds.
윌리엄의 귀를 총알로 스친 것이 바로 안소니의 짓이었던 것이죠.
What did Isabel give to you? What did Isabel give to you then? Tell me. You don't give it to me. I'll just scream this house down.
적반하장인 네스빗은 돈을 찢어버리죠.
Try buying yourself a new frock with that.
No coffee, George, but I'll have a...
do apologise, sir. I can't imagine how that happened.
You son of a bitch! You did that on purpose!
Shall I fetch your towel, sir?
한편 대충 조사를 마친 톰슨 경위는 서로 돌아가려 하고
Yes, I think we can let them all go home, to be honest. I've got their addresses, after all. Constable Dexter will be here tomorrow morning to confirm that.
파크의 표정을 본 메리는 그가 범인인 걸 확신하게 됩니다.
Who is it?
You didn't really dislike him, did you? Not really.
Can't a man hate his own father?
파크는 윌리엄과 그의 공장에서 일하던 여공 사이에 태어난 사생아였고 태어난 지 얼마 안 돼 고아원에 버려진 것이었죠.
Not long before I left, a group of us broke into the warden's office one night and took out our files. I found my birth certificate, mother's name, father unknown. Found this photograph, and they had my admission form. I was 2 days old. Guess who brought me to the door? She wasn't the only one, apparently. Either the authorities didn't know or they didn't want to know. They took his babies, and they took his money.
What happened to your mother?
She died.
자신을 버린 아버지에 대한 원망에 윌리엄을 살해하려 했던 것이라 메리는 추측하는데 다만 이상한 점은 파크가 칼로 찌르기 전 그는 이미 독살당한 상태였던 것이었죠.
Even if you did, he was already dead. And whoever did it must have known that. No one could stab a corpse and not know it.
Really? When was the last time you stabbed a corpse?
Who really murdered him then?
I don't know.
상황을 얼렁뚱땅 무마시키려 하는 파크. 그렇게 사건은 흐지부지 마무리되고 사람들은 하나둘 고스포드 파크를 떠나죠.
Hey, you there? Where are you going?
The station.
Hey, you want to ride to London?
Sure, why not?
한편 아직 저택에 남아있던 백작 부인은 실비아와 대화를 나누는데
Mrs. Wilson could manage till you're ready.
Oh, yes, she could manage all right. Let's not worry about that. No doubt she'll seize the opportunity to get rid of the wretched Mrs. Croft.
Why are those two such enemies?
I don't know. Something to do with when they were both workers in one of William's sweatshops. Mrs. Croft was the senior then, she was the cook. And Mrs. Wilson, a lowly factory worker. Now that she's gone up in the world, poor old Crofty can't abide it. Usual rubbish.
Was there ever a Mr. Wilson?
Ah!
I can't imagine it.
Nor can I. Although, funny enough, I think there must have been.
Really, you amaze me.
She might have changed her name, but when she was working with William, she's called something quite different. Parks or Parker or Parkinson or something like that.
윌슨 부인이 바로 파크의 모친이었던 것이었죠.
How did you know it was him? Was it the name, or did you see the photograph in his room?
Ah, yes, the photograph.
They said she died just after he was born.
Well, she didn't die. She gave him away. He promised the boy would be adopted. He said he knew the family. Turns out we all clung to that dream. All us girls. Better start in life for our children. All the time he was dumping them, his own children, in some godforsaken place. I suppose it was easier that way. My sister certainly never forgave me for it.
Your sister?
Yes, Mrs. Croft. She's my sister, didn't you know? She kept hers, you see. It was very hard for her. She lost her job, and then the baby died anyway. Scarlet fever. I made him take her back. She never forgave me for that either.
But even if Robert is your son, how did you know that he meant to harm his father?
What gift do you think a good servant has that separates them from the others? It's the gift of anticipation.
What if they find out what happened?
Not much for crime to stab a dead man, is it? They can never touch him. That's what's important, his life.
Her ladyship's leaving now, miss.
Oh, thank you, George.
사람들은 계속해 발길을 서두르고
Well, bye, Sylvia.
결국 참았던 눈물을 터뜨리는 윌슨 부인.
Don't cry, Jane. They'll hear you.
언니인 크로프트 부인이 그녀를 위로하죠.
I've lost him. He'll never know me now. Oh, at least your boy's alive.
메리와 파크는 떠나기 전 마지막 인사를 나누는데
So, you're leaving.
Yes.
Goodbye, then.
Goodbye, my dear.
Get in, Bennett.
Chin up. Oh, Mary.
Well, that's right.
Do you think if there's a trial, I might have to testify in court? Or you? I can't think of anything worse. Imagine a person being hanged because of something one said in court.
I know. And what purpose could it possibly serve anyway?
대저택에 홀로 남은 실비아와 저 멀리 떠나는 이들의 모습을 비추며 영화는 마무리됩니다.
Different from this world below, far more mercifully planned than the cruel place we know. Innocence and peace are there, all is good that is desired.